this video, I'm going to show you how to share internet on Pawns app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Pawns app from your Play or App Store. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and open up the Pawns app. From there, we need to create an account, so sign up using your email address, or you can sign up using your Google account. And while you're setting up your account, you can use referral codes to receive couple of dollars bonus upon registration. So I suggest just doing a Google search and search for Pawns app referral code and use one of those. Then from here, you'll be taken to the home page after you've filled out some of those questionnaires, and then it will say earn. Below here, if we scroll down here, it's going to ask you to enable your location. So please enable location access on your device so we can provide the best earning options for you. So you click continue there. And now from here on the top, you might see a green Wi-Fi signal button. So go ahead and click onto that and it will say earn by sharing. So automatically you should start earning. But if you've got less than 20% battery life, you won't be able to share your internet. So if I click stop sharing here, and then once you've got enough battery, you can go ahead and click on share internet and it'll say stay in the loop and boost your earnings. So enable notifications to receive updates about our promotions. Boost your internet sharing earnings twice or even more. So you can enable that if you like, continue. And yeah, that's how you can share your internet on the Pawns app.